Hi, I'm MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade. A warm welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY video as well as a decor video. And today's video is going to take part in a challenge being hosted by Christine from the DIY Mommy. I need not introduce her. She is a wonderful DIYer and YouTuber and very successful in her field. I love her content. I love the way she photographs. The videography is so beautiful. So do visit her channel if you haven't ever. I'll put a link to her channel and to the link to the playlist that she has created for the autumn season's DIY decor. So let's get started. If you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button given below the video and ring the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Let's begin. A very warm welcome again, and today I'm going to decorate and do some DIY for a space in my living room. My living room does not have an entryway or a foyer to begin with. So as soon as we open the door, the living room starts. So I needed a space where one could just come in, sit, take off the outside shoes and change into inside shoes. Just a place to sit, a little small space to sit and just catch up and then begin with the in-house work. So I'm going to decorate this piece of my house. For this DIY, I have taken a picture frame, a piece of thread. This is a pretty little wreath that I had with me with gourds, flowers and berries. A sellotape, a pretty little paper and a pencil and a felt pen, and I'm going to write a hello sign with a pencil on this. Next I darkened the whole thing with felt pen. my earthen pots from West Bengal, my DIYed bamboo candle, some pine cones, and to add some life I've put a plant here. I've put 2 books in the colors of fall, and this is a succulent that I made out of painting a stone. And I think this corner turned out beautiful. And here is my today's DIY, the picture frame that I rescued, and with just a touch of little fall colored flower up there. And here is the DIY, and I think it's looking so beautiful, so cute, with the home sign and this small little cute tree. I love it. Here are some extra cushions if needed, and a small seat cushion to sit on. I think the corner has turned out very beautiful as an entryway. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.